In this TruIVS tutorial, we will be going over the edge tools, using them to measure and determine if the soda bottle is filled or not. So let's get started by adding our first edge. Click Add New, head over to Edge, and number of edges defined, default is usually as 5, but we're going to set it to 1. Polarity of edges, white to black, and there's black to white, or you can do both, and it explains it on the right hand side, but for now we're going to choose white to black edges. And we're going to rotate our edge on the cap and adjust it. Once we do that, we're going to click Apply Changes. And if we zoom in, we can see that it has found the right edge of the cap. Now we're going to go ahead and add our second edge. Number of edges, 1. And then edge polarity, white to black. Click OK. And we're going to adjust this edge on our liquid. And once we've done that, again, we click Apply Changes. And if we zoom in, we could see that we found the right edge again. So now we can go ahead and add our distance tool. We're going to select point A as edge 1. Start point. Click OK. Select B as edge 2. Start point. Click OK. And we can see we have both our X and Y distances. In this case, we only care about our Y distance to determine if there's liquid or not. And we could see our Y distance is the value of 200. So we want to make our min and max around there. So we'll make it 190 and max is 210. And we click Apply Changes. And we can see that distance is good. So if the distance is outside these boundaries, it should fail and tell us that there is no liquid. And we can put a bottle there with no liquid to confirm. And we can see there that the distance falls below 190. So in fact, it does fail. And if we switch it back, we can see that it is passing again.